Outbound trains, next K in 13 minutes, L in 13 minutes, M in 9 minutes.
That one serves an M.
So does that one. Oh wait.
No, this one doesn't. That one might be the only one working.
So this basically around and then around again.
For your safety and to prevent vehicle damage, please do not attempt to hold or force the train doors open.
Oh wow!
Oh, these got replaced buttons. These are smooth.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Dover VR.
I've never seen this one.
Whoa. Look at this, Dover.
This thing is big. This is the deepest Muni station on the whole.
These are cool.
Supposedly the station's like 15 floors big. Good to see. Oh, look at all the stickers.
Outbound trains, next K in 11 minutes, L in 11 minutes, M in 8 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, I guess it didn't register. Just push it.
Oh, I didn't know you were pictures.
No, it's fine.
That was really fast acceleration.
Indicator is, I think, completely dead.
Just let it go.
I'm sorry. I like that. Certificate in station agent's booth. Wow. This is the other side, Forest Hill Station. Wow, we are very underleveled. Down.
The buttons are censored on plays.
Sounds like the other one works too.
Ooh.
Interesting.
We'll
Oh, we'll go back up.
No, we're going back up.
Alarm button's the only original button.